How to see your Facebook password if you ever forgot. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Facebook. Now tap on the three lines. Now scroll down. Now tap on logout. Now click on save. Again tap on logout back to the home screen. Now open up your Gmail application. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now scroll to the right and tap on security. Now scroll down. Now find Google Password Manager. Now under Password Manager, simply tap on Manage Passwords. Now find Facebook Lite or Facebook if you ever saved your password. Now simply tap on it. Now enter your lock screen password. Now here you can find your password and account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.